Hello Super Mobile fans, happy day to you all. Thanks once again for subscribing and watching on my videos. I appreciate your time and support for this channel. I know that some of you might be disappointed with the specifications of the Infinix S5, especially because of the Helio P22 processor, the lack of an AMOLED display, the lack of an in-display fingerprint sensor, the lack of fast charging, and no USB Type-C port. But the rumored specifications of the upcoming Infinix S6 might cheer you up because it has some exciting upgrades. Here is the official front design of the Infinix S6, and it is similar with the Infinix S5 in size and bezels. But if you look closely at the top, you will discover that there is no water drop or punch hole notch. This is because the Infinix S6 will be coming with the industry-leading motorized pop-up selfie camera located at the top right corner. There will also be an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is a much awaited addition. From the color production on the screen, it looks like this is an AMOLED display. I hope I am right. I have no information about the back design of the Infinix S6, but there are two rumors concerning its quad camera setup, RAM, memory and processor. I don't know how true these rumors are, but I prefer the first rumor with the industry-leading 48 megapixel camera and far better Helio P65 octa-core processor. Of course, it should come with the same 4000 mAh battery size. Here are my predictions for the full specifications of the Infinix S6. Only time will tell, we should find out next year. Fingers crossed. Let me know what you are expecting from the Infinix S6. The remote pricing is between $130 and $160 depending on the standard and pro versions. Remember to take all the information in this video with a pinch of salt, as the official version might be different. Kindly subscribe for more updates on the Infinix S6. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble. Bye.